Hi everyone. Last time I spent the day focused on updating our social media channels across all the various platforms and of course keeping up with ongoing emails. Today is a little bit more of the same. We've got an uptick in emails coming in, so I'll be handling all of those. And I'm also going to start working with Yuri on some new cards that will help us get our message out on social media. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, yesterday I met with Daniel. We planned a short video that demonstrates the charging station utility, and I continued working on our several design changes on our website. And today we updated our KYC process. We added some drawings that explain how to take photos correctly, which hopefully should make this process more clear and easy to complete. This is it guys, thanks.
Hello everybody, so today I finished my work on the guide integration. I did some small fixes and checked the flow, and it looked like it worked just fine. So that's it for today, and see you tomorrow. Ciao.
Hey Davers, today I'm still going on with trying to make all the different applications work together and not get done with that, hopefully by tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, what's up? So yesterday I made a rough cut, almost final cut for Greg Colvin's interview, and today we reviewed it. I got some feedbacks and I did final corrections, and now it's up and running. You can check it out right over here. After that I edit the DailyDAV, and for the rest of the week I'm gonna be outside of the office, so I'm not gonna be posting until next week. And that will be it for today. See ya next time. Bye now.
Hey Davers, yesterday I almost finished the Captain Skyflow. Today I'm gonna finish it, and then I'll check all the flow together with the missions and the mission control. Bye bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday the main focus was working on different components of the KYC and making sure that the system is working totally perfectly as it should be, and then making sure that those updates that are happening within the KYC are then illustrated across all our different channels, so as users are going through that system, it's going very, very smoothly. Also worked with several different advisor videos. Yesterday I was doing a lot of interviews and shoots with advisors, so now we're getting those actually published and over the finish line. Today, after we had a great management meeting this morning, and then I've been working primarily on segmenting out different marketing campaigns, email campaigns across our KYC and across our mailing list. Thanks everybody, have a great one.
Hi guys, yesterday I started great task, redesign header our beautiful homepage. I'll change the background, the arrangement of the elements, header, etc. After then I'll plan redesign other parts our homepage. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.